Hey guys, I hope you're excited. Besides summer coming out soon, today is the 100th picture drawn today. Today is going to be the 100th episode of Master Designs. Let's give a big hand, everybody. Big hands. And today, we're going to draw you a mystery surprise. And guess what? It's MEWTWO! That's right, folks. We're going to draw MEWTWO. If you must know, MEWTWO is known as the genetic Pokemon, and it was created by a scientist after years of horrific gene splicing and DNA engineering experiments. If you should know, MEWTWO can be found in Pokemon XY in the Cave of Nothingness, or at least an empty cave where you can find him after you complete the Pokemon League. So, next thing you got... If you must know, he served under Giovanni, and he first appeared in Battle of the Badge, a Pokemon episode where Gary first fought MEWTWO and lost, and again was re-edited in the Pokemon movie MEWTWO Strikes Back. And here's another thing. MEWTWO Strikes Back got rebooted to become MEWTWO Strikes Back Evolution. And believe me, it was a really fun movie to watch. It's only available on Netflix, and I don't think it's going to come out on TV, so a big bummer to that. But great, awesome movie, by the way. As you must know, the strong will stand victorious. If you must know, MEWTWO can Mega Evolve into two different forms. There's Mega MEWTWO Y and Mega MEWTWO X. My favorite was the Mega MEWTWO X. I have the Mega MEWTWO Y card. And, yeah, perfect. And, let's see what we got here. Okay, so I did the eye, the head, and his chest. Anyways, next thing you gotta do is that you gotta draw his hand, like he's just posing to attack. And, here we go. Here's his other palm here. Okay. There we go. There's his head. Okay, next thing you gotta do is that you gotta draw this tube sticking out of his neck. Next thing, you just gotta go down here, scroll all the way down, and okay, next up, you just gotta roll down here. Okay, next up is his bottom half that connects to his tail. There we go, there's his foot here. Next up, you just gotta draw his other foot. To be honest, I really like the fights when Mew fought against MEWTWO in MEWTWO Strikes Back. Next up, you just gotta draw his arm. Okay, glad we got that done. And finally, you just have to draw his tail. Done. And done. Wasn't that so hard, guys? If you guys think that was easy, we finally did it. The 100th and we finally drawn the 150th Pokemon. Now to color him in, you need purple for the eye and his tail, and that's pretty much about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and make sure to tell your friends about the 100th episode of Master Designs, and make sure to smash that like button, because I'm sure I do. After all, we did draw the most powerful Pokemon, didn't we? So, that's how you draw Mewtwo. I'll see you guys later. Bye.